Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, we got Brada in the building, and this guy is definitely bringing the noise. And today he's setting on the table a Boss watch face that is definitely worthy of a download, and I do mean Boss. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick off this review. Now the name of the watch face is called Brada IO, and I thought Brada did a really excellent job with this watch face, especially with the detailing of it. And I like the fact that everything is very legible and you get the best of both worlds. If you want to dress up, you can. If you want to dress down, you also can. And if you need this for fitness, this watch face definitely has you covered. All right, with that being said, in the AOD mode, it looks nice. I do like the color theme going on with this watch face, especially with the black background. And I like the fact that my man got super creative with the detailing of this watch face. Now take a look at the index. The index looks super awesome and it lights up all the way around. And you also get the numbers that's lit up as well that matches the color of the index that's being lit up, which looks awesome. Really adds a lot of character to the watch face. Now you are going to get info, of course, on your heart rate. You're going to get info on your calories with that gauge. This gauge is going to give you info on your battery life, and it's also going to give it to you in numeral numbers as well. Now if you come down, it's going to be your step goal completed gauge, and here it's going to give you info on your steps. Now right here, which I thought was very unique, very stylish, and it really stands out, you get your day of the week. You're gonna also get your date. I like the design of it. And then you get a moon phase right by the day of the week, which I thought was super awesome. Now the watch face is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can go into my step status info. Same thing with my heart rate. And I can also customize the theme of the watch face, right? Let's start off with the hands. Now the hands are very stylish. I didn't tell you about that one, but the hands are very stylish. I like the look. Screams premium all day long. Also, I like the second hand that's very unique that's going around the bezel of the watch. Really adds some character and pizzazz to the watch face as well. And if I want to customize the hands, I double tap right here and I can customize the color theme of the hands. Very nice, Brada. And you can do the same thing with the minute hand as well. Now, you got 5 shortcuts, people. Count them up, 5. So if I tap in the middle, I can grab one and I can tap over here, over here, over here, and over here. And it gives you a map to let you see exactly where you need to tap at in order to set your favorites, which I thought was awesome. Again, 5 in all. Now also, I can customize the color themes. Now, this is the beauty of the watch face right here. So we're gonna cycle through so you can get an idea of what you're gonna be in for when you download this watch face. We're gonna double tap, and you get so many different color themes that's gonna blend into whatever it is that you may have on for that day, or whatever color is gonna suit you. Brada gave you many, and I do mean many different awesome colors. Now I'm loving this black look right here, which is really gonna stand out, especially if you're going out and you're gonna be hitting the town. But yes, this watch face has you covered. Now let's tap up here. Now here's where you can change the color of the index, which I thought was nice, very nice. Depending on how you want to make this watch light up will depend on you. I thought Brada did an excellent job with this watch face, people, but at the end of the day, it is totally up to you. What did you think? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And with that, hit the like button on the way out if you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.